Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. To create an account on Shopify, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Shopify website. Open your web browser and visit the Shopify website at www.shopify.com. 2. Click on Get Started on the Shopify homepage. You'll see a prominent button that says Get Started. Click on it to begin the account creation process. 3. Enter your email address. On the next page, enter your email address in the provided field. Make sure to use a valid and active email address as it will be associated with your Shopify account. 4. Create a password. Choose a strong password for your Shopify account. It should be unique and contain a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. 5. Enter your store details. After creating a password, you'll be prompted to enter some basic details about your store. This includes your store name, which will be used in your store's URL. 6. Provide additional information. Next, you'll need to provide some additional information about yourself and your business. This includes your name, address, and phone number. 7. Answer a few questions. Shopify will ask you a few questions about your current selling status and your experience with e-commerce. Answer them accordingly to help Shopify tailor its recommendations for your store. 8. Choose your products and revenue goals. Select the options that best describe your products and revenue goals. This will help Shopify understand your business better and provide relevant suggestions. 9. Complete the setup process. Once you've provided all the required information, Shopify will create your account and take you to your store's admin dashboard. You can now start customizing your store, adding products, and setting up your payment and shipping methods. 10. Select a plan. Shopify offers various pricing plans, including a free trial. Choose the plan that suits your needs and budget. You'll need to enter your payment details if you're not on a free trial. 11. Customize your store. Customize your store's appearance by choosing a theme and modifying it to align with your brand. You can also add your logo, customize colors, and set up navigation menus. 12. Add products. Start adding your products to your Shopify store. Enter product details, upload images, set prices, and manage inventory. Once you complete these steps, your Shopify account will be created, and you'll have access to all the features and tools to manage your online store. From the admin dashboard, you can further explore Shopify's settings, integrations, and marketing options to optimize your store and start selling your products or services. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.